Hello everyone. Today on Disasters with Paul, we're walking around the HVL. We'll start with Thumper. Everything got covered in soot. So right now, you can see I wiped it with my finger. The entire cabinet for Thumper is just covered in black goo. That's the high voltage supply down there. Every last little bit of every last little thing needs to be cleaned. This is the table for Thumper. It's covered in soot. Control cabinet, the lid was off, so all the wiring is cooked and every bit of it needs to be replaced. Our triple stack Variac, we had just got it wired up and working nicely. There's a wrench. The pole pigs, probably okay. They're fairly rugged, but they are coated. Rust-Oleum found out about what had happened. They've donated a lot of paint, and they basically said, how much do you need? So they're going to be donating the paint to repaint the room. The secondaries are trashed. The temperature in the upper half of the room got very high. And these guys are basically cooked in place. You can see somebody wiped along the side, but it's covered in soot and has been heated. The backup secondaries are likewise in equal shape. You can't see them, but below the windows there were brand new lighting that had just been installed, all gone. The reactor probably is all right. It was away from the door. There's been a lot of people posting or talking about that. That's a box of Cat 6. And it was right next to the doorway here, and it roasted. You can see that's where the control cabinet is over here, kind of right near the edge. The conduit got very hot. That's what's left of the red curtain. The red curtain was not flame retardant. You get it hot enough and it melted and just burned. Most of the soot in the building, we think, came from that. There was a bunch of rolls. The leftovers were laid over there. The capacitors, all 1,000 of them, are totally destroyed. That's what's left of the aluminum framework. You can see it's all melted and twisted. The copper pipe held up fairly well. That pipe there was a roof drain that went right there, and it's an iron pipe and it's held together with lead solder at that type of joint, and the lead all melted and ran down the pipe. So that drain is clogged permanently. The fire department put a lot of water through this room, so it kind of blew everything around, but there's a molten, aluminum plate on the floor right now where all the aluminum framework melted and turned into a puddle on the floor. See the edge of it right there in the center? But I don't see a single capacitor that survived. Every last one of them died. They were mounted on plexiglass rods, or strips rather, and those are all gone. Just devastating. The rotary spark gap sat right there. Let's go take a peek at that.